Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. Just in case you're new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. Today's video is very interesting, so please stay tuned till the end, and at the end of the video you will know how easy it is to make this kind of crochet bowl using t-shirt yarn. So in case if you are subscribed to my vlog channel, you guys would already be aware that I went shopping some yarn, so that is when I picked up this kind of t-shirt yarn, and I have been waiting to do something using that, and that's why I am filming this video today. So watch the video till the end. It's absolutely beginner level crochet tutorial. I have explained very much in detail, and you guys can just crochet this beautiful bowl all by yourself, I think in less than 2 hours. So watch the video and do let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So now let's get started. So for today's project I am using a 10 mm hook, and along with that I am using this kind of a t-shirt yarn from Nako. It's called Frizzy Print, and this comes in a ball of 300 grams and it costs about 290 rupees. I picked this up recently, and that's why I wanted to try something different using this yarn. So you can use about 10 mm to 12 mm hook for this, because this is quite thick, and that's the reason you'll have to use a bigger hook for this. So we'll start off by making a slip knot like this. So how you make the slip knot, if you have not checked my previous videos, just wind this yarn around your fingers like this and get this part in the center like this, and then you'll have to pass the hook below this and pull. So that makes a slip knot. And now placed a stitch marker here on my first stitch so that I know where I started. So I've reached that point, and now in total I have 12 single crochets in this round. So I'm going to remove my stitch marker. Now we are going to do a gradual increase, for which I will be working 2 single crochets in this stitch. So since this is my first stitch of this row, I will place my stitch marker back in this stitch so that I know where I started this round. I'm going to work 2. So I'm doing one more stitch in the same place like this, and then in the following stitch I will just do 1 single crochet. So this is what is called a gradual increase. So we'll do 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That's how this round goes. So since I've done 1 here, in my next stitch I'm going to work 2 singles. So this project is all about singles. We are finishing the entire project using only single crochets, no slip stitches, no double crochets, no more chains. So this is how this will continue. So you'll have to be very careful. So I've done one here, two here, so I'll continue with one. So this is my fourth stitch. Here I'm going to work 2 and then continue with 1 single crochets each in the next 3 stitches. So that's how this 1 single crochet each on every stitch here, and I've finished this round. Now if you guys notice, it is starting to take that shape. So we'll continue the exact same step for 3 more times. So this is ideally my 7th round. So I'm going to do 3 more steps to check if the height is good enough. If it's not enough, I'm going to add 1 or 2 more rounds. If not, I'm going to stop it at 10. So same way, again continue working 1 single crochet each in every stitch. Don't forget to continue placing the stitch markers on the very first stitch. So we'll finish all 10 rounds and then we'll see how it looks. So I finished working actually 5 rounds and I have reached the point where I started. Now we'll just make a slip stitch and we'll trim off the excess yarn. I'm going to make that slip stitch in the very first stitch here. So when I pull this yarn, I'll just pass this inside this loop. So that makes the slip stitch, and I'll just trim off this. I'm going to keep it a little longer so that it is easier for us to weave. I'm going to pull this that is on the hook, and that completes our bowl. So I have used this t-shirt yarn. You can also do this using your old leggings. I'll try to make another video on how to make this kind of yarn using old leggings. So we'll see how to weave this, and that completes the project. So you can see it looks really neat and nice, and it's absolutely washable. You can just place it on your center table or on your side tables just to drop in some jewelry or some keys or anything of your choice. To weave the loose ends, I'm using this kind of a yarn needle which has a big eye so that it is easier for us to pass any kind of yarn. So now I'll just pass the needle in between the stitches like used for anything. You can save your cosmetics, you can use it to drop some jewelry like I already mentioned, or some keys. So the size also totally depends on you. You can just make little bit of alterations with the base of the bowl and the height. So you can do any size of your choice, and you can also work this with a very thick yarn as well. Just in case if you do not have t-shirt yarn like this, you can work using thick woolen or cotton thread. So this is how this has turned out, and I hope you guys like this. In case you like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to see more such videos related to crochet. And don't forget to check out my blog naughtythreads.net and subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs. In this video, that's all. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.